The HTC U12 Plus goes official, and you would be surprised that it's DxOMark. Samsung's new Gear S4 has been spotted in the wild and not running Tizen, and if you truly want a bezel-less phone, Vivo is apparently taking its concept to the next level. I'm Shiny Rivera apparently was the best joke yesterday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with sales. OnePlus has not provided official numbers yet as to how many units they've sold, but according to them, this has been their best-selling smartphone ever, topping the OnePlus 5T. And we have seen the results. I mean, if you saw everything on Instagram, like the pop-up stores in New York and San Francisco were crowded. The lines were insane. And you know what? I get it. There's a reason for that. You can learn more about the OnePlus 6 in the description with our video. So if you remember that concept smartphone that we weren't able to catch at CES, the Apex from Vivo, where there was a truly bezel-less phone and we had the selfie camera pop up from the top, there are TV ads now showing this phone off. Meaning, and these are World Cup ads, meaning it apparently is going to happen. We are going to get this phone at some point. I can't wait to see when that's going to happen. Now let's move the spotlight over to LG, as we were shocked at the fact that the G7 ThinQ was not available at AT&T. We've heard rumors that apparently there will be a V35 that's going to be launched on AT&T, and now the rumors show us that it could happen in August, that apparently it's not going to have a notch, hooray, and that specifications are going to be significantly better than the V30 and the G7. Apparently the price tag is already being teased for a Korean variant around $850, so stay tuned. And yes, we have heard rumors that Samsung is going to ditch Tizen, or at least there will be a variant of the Gear S4 that's going to be running Wear OS from Android. As it turns out, famous tipster Evan Blass has already found or has discovered that there are people, Samsung executives, already using this new watch. IFA could be the time frame? Stay tuned, we will be covering IFA and I can't wait to see it. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with HTC, as the company has just announced the HTC U12 Plus. Our hands-on video of the phone is already live, my first impressions there as well. It's an interesting, as I say in the video, an interesting iteration to what we've seen in the past. But the most important part, okay, DxOMark has just provided the results, and we know that the top phone is the P20 Pro. And right, it should at 109 in its score, but the second phone right now is the HTC U12 Plus, topping the Google Pixel 2, topping even the P20 at 103. I obviously only spent an hour or so in the hands-on, so I didn't really see the resulting photos, but I guess now I really want to review this phone. But in today's question, let us know, what do you think about the HTC U12 Plus? And number two, would this DxOMark lure you to buying an HTC phone again? Because in my case, it seems that this collaboration between Google and HTC is starting to show some fruit. I would actually be willing to test one of these phones. I mean, the feel was great, everything was great, but if the camera's great, all right. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the HTC U12 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.